Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn libraries in Python. First, begin by understanding the library's main purpose and what problems it aims to solve. Next, install it using pip, Python's standard package installer, typically with a simple command like pip install library name. Then, immediately dive into its official documentation, focusing on the quick start guides and basic examples provided. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth learning journey. Once installed, the next critical step is hands-on practice. Start by writing small, focused code snippets to test individual functions and methods. Don't be afraid to experiment, change parameters, and observe the outcomes. Take existing examples from the documentation and modify them slightly to see how changes affect the output. This active engagement solidifies your understanding far more effectively than passive reading alone. To truly master a library, apply it to a small, personal project. This practical application forces you to integrate different parts of the library and solve real-world problems. You will inevitably encounter errors. Debugging these issues is an invaluable learning experience. If you get stuck, leverage online communities like Stack Overflow or the library's forums for insights and solutions. This problem-solving approach accelerates your learning significantly. Learning is an ongoing process. Regularly review and refactor your code to improve efficiency and readability. Keep an eye on new versions and features released for the library, as these often bring performance enhancements or new capabilities. Finally, explore advanced topics, contribute to the community, or even consider contributing to the library itself. This continuous engagement ensures long-term mastery and keeps your skills sharp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.